There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my...
Hello guys, welcome to my channel guys. If you're new here, my name is Pretty Mary Minor. I'm mom of 2 beautiful daughters and I'm married guys. Please consider subscribing to my channel guys and like the video guys, and don't forget to comment after so that I can appreciate you guys. Okay, and so today guys, I'm gonna be cleaning my kitchen and my bathroom. They're so dirty, it's just a total mess. Please don't judge. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoy this video and please don't forget to share if you can. Guys, by the way, this week my husband has been away for work for the whole of this week, and it has been so hectic for me doing everything alone guys. So imagine what these dishes are for 2 days. I really was tired. At the same time I had my period cramps and my cramps are so bad I really can't even do anything. It was just even taking care of the kids was just me dragging myself to do it because there was no option and I was all alone in the house. I had to do it. So after my cramps reduced, the pain cramps reduced, that's when I decided to wash the dishes, and it was 2 days later. So these dishes are for yesterday and the day before that, and you can see how much they are. There are so many guys, but you gotta do this guys because yeah, you don't want your house to stink or something. So yeah, it was so much work, but I'm glad I did it and I finished. Oh, this was the toughest week ever in my life, and I really thank God that I went through it and I finished it.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits.
Guys, as I clean my kitchen, my dishes, I'm gonna be cleaning at the same time I'm gonna be cooking, so that I can do 2 things at the same time, so that I don't get tired. When I finish with the kitchen, I'll be done with the kitchen. So guys, please keep watching the video and I hope you enjoy this video. For dinner guys, today we are making some rice and some kamande stew, and I hope you enjoy this video guys. Love you so much guys. I'll be using to cook my kamande, I'll be using some spices, and I'll also be onions, tomatoes, garlic, oil, and I hope you learn a thing or two about making lentils.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car. Hit the button, drive real far. Put that record on me like, I'm dreaming of you. I dream of a new life. Fight in the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you.
Guys, our kamande and rice is ready, and I'm telling you guys, this kamande and rice was so sweet, it was so yummy. I really don't even want to remember how sweet it was, because I'll just start getting hungry right now, guys. It was so amazing and so sweet. We all enjoyed it, guys.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
Oh my god, guys, look at this mess. Aki haven't washed this bathroom in is it 2 or 3 weeks. I'm even disgusted in looking at it. I'm like, oh my god, what is this? Sometimes I have so much work that I'm unable to do this. So I want to clean this up. Yes. And then I wanted to clean last week, and then my periods came, and my periods are so bad. But it's on this side. This other side is not that bad. And this side is clean. Okay, so I want to clean this up, guys, as quickly as I can. Guys, for my bathroom, I'm gonna be using bathroom cleaner. I'm also gonna be using a steel wool. I'm also gonna be using a brush, a sponge, some water, some detergent. Yes, to clean my bathroom. And it's been long since I cleaned this bathroom. So yeah, today is a thorough cleaning, guys. I think this bathroom is just a mess, and my kitchen was also a mess. It was just a full disaster, guys, of the house. But anyway, sometimes we have those days that you have so much to do because you didn't do them before, but we always manage, guys. And I hope you're enjoying this video so far, guys. Please share me out if you can, and please like and comment and subscribe after the video, guys. I really appreciate you so much for always coming back to my channel, for always watching me, for those who have subscribed to my channel, the new members. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Sometimes we forget to welcome you guys. I forget to welcome you guys, but here I am, guys. Sorry if I haven't welcomed you before, but guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Pretty Mary's channel. We love you and we appreciate you, guys, for joining the family, guys.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
Ballet, if you can see, they use ballet. I don't know if you can see the name. I think it's reflecting so much. You can see that's the soap Chloe and Sandy uses. Yeah, we don't use the same soap with our babies. Okay guys, so let's clean that side. Let's start cleaning, guys. This side is dirty and this side is not even that dirty. So I'm just gonna go ahead with just a sponge. You can see it's clean. I think it's cleaner because we normally shower through that side. That's where the shower is. So this side hardly gets the oil. You understand what I mean? Okay. Let's go down. I'm sure.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car. Hit the button, drive real far. Put that record on me, die. Oh, I'm dreaming of you. I dream of a new life. Fight in the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close and could ride this fire.
I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back, guys. And I really appreciate you, all of you, so much, guys. And once again, let me welcome the new members. Thank you, guys, for considering to join this family. God bless you, guys. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And I'll catch you up on my next one. Bye.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons.